This is Whit.Jerkins with the Walton Group, and I welcome you to my newest listing here in the heart of the west end of Panama City Beach at 21916 Belgrade Avenue. Let's get you inside. Welcome inside the first of 3 units. As we tour this unique multi-family property, you will find an entertainment space with an updated kitchen, granite counters, and bar seating for 4. The living room acts as an open transitional space between the kitchen and dining area, which offers a chandelier and large windows that offer plenty of natural light. A versatile bunk nook offers flexible sleeping arrangement that is tucked conveniently around the corner. The primary suite is located just off the living room and features an attractive furniture package and ensuite bathroom. The second bedroom has plenty of room for 2 queen beds, offers abundance of natural light, and offers a convenient access to the second bath. As we step away from the first building to the rear of the property, we find a duplex that offers a mirrored 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom floor plan on each side. This amazing multi-family property is located 1 block off the beach on the west end of Panama City Beach.